In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange sections in PowerPoint. Whether you're sprucing up an old presentation or starting fresh, knowing how to effectively organize your slides is crucial for making your message clear and impactful. Let's dive right in. First, we need to launch Microsoft PowerPoint. Begin by clicking on the Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, scroll through your applications and select Microsoft PowerPoint. This might take just a few seconds, so be patient as the application loads. Once PowerPoint is open, you have two options. You can either open an existing presentation file or create a new one from scratch. If you're working on something new, feel free to add your photos, tables, and any other content that supports your presentation's message. Remember, the more concise and visually appealing your slides, the better. Now let's navigate to the normal view. In this view, you'll notice a thumbnail pane of your slides on the left side of the screen. This setup allows you to see an overview of all your slides and easily manage their arrangement. Ensuring you're in this view is crucial as it provides the necessary layout to move sections around. Next, identify the section title you wish to move. This could be due to a change in the presentation flow, or simply because you've decided a different order would be more effective. Click on this section title. You'll see it highlighted, indicating that it's selected and ready for the next action. Now, it's time to rearrange. Click and hold the left mouse button on the section title you want to move, then drag it to its new location in the thumbnail pane. As you drag, notice how other sections and slides rearrange to accommodate the movement. This visual cue helps ensure you're placing the section in the intended position. Finally, release the mouse button once you see a solid line appear. This line acts as an indicator, showing you exactly where the section will land in its new position. Once you let go, PowerPoint will automatically rearrange your slides, placing the section in its new location. And there you have it. The section is now in its new spot, effortlessly rearranging your presentation to better suit your needs. Rearranging sections can be a game changer for clarity and flow in your presentation, making sure your audience gets the right information at the right time. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this tutorial helps you feel more confident in organizing your PowerPoint presentations. Remember, a well-organized presentation can significantly enhance your ability to communicate effectively. See you next time.